In Power BI, uh, we have a view tab in Power Query Editor. In Power Query Editor, in view tab, we have a tab called data preview. So what does data preview do is it gives a data profiling of your imported data and gives you intuitive ways to clean, transform and understand the data with the help of finding the quality of the column, distribution of the column and column profile. So if you want to find any errors, any unique numbers, unique values, or error percentage, distinct values, uh, empty, unknown, unexpected errors, so we can find this out. We can understand the data very easily with this data preview feature in Power Query Editor in Power BI. So first, the most useful option is here is the column distribution. So in column distribution, you will find out when you click on it. So you find out that you have 40 distincts and one unique. In this party name, we have 10 distinct party names. In place, we have 94 distinct place. So in this way, we get an idea of our data. And if you click on column quality, you will find out how many places are valid, empty, or if there is any error. Okay. And if you click on column profile, so for example, if I select the place, okay, and if you hover over this, it will give you a tooltip that November is 15%. Okay, and if you select on the salesperson, or for example, let's take the easiest one, that is category. So 285 times 28%, 282 times, 217 times, and 216 times. Okay, and so if you click on this, okay, and another option is if you want to see this in a monospaced format, you can just click on it and you can see the format has changed. So whenever you import a query, if you select these options, column quality and column distribution, it will help you to understand the valid number of values or in your data, errors, empty, the distinct and unique.